everyone, I'm going to show you avensis 2-liter diesel 55 plate how to change timing belt. The first, when you open the steering power pump, wiring, engine mounting, all is this around. First thing, you have to mark it, camshaft, you go mark sign there, but not on the cylinder. You have to mark it properly with a head. And second thing, fuel pump, they go mark over here and over the cylinder is a deep line. This is the tensioner. The third is crankshaft. They go, you have to mark it there and go deep line on the cylinder, block cylinder, and go deep line in the little anvil. But the best thing to do, you have to mark it up, not do anything rash. Thank you for watching. Good luck.